back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today's video is all about home decor, and it is a timeless and elegant home decor tag. It is a tag that's being hosted by my friend Allie here on YouTube from Really Good Living, and what she has asked us to do is feature 3 to 5 items that we think are really timeless and elegant. Well, you know, I was very happy to participate because I love home decor, and I have 4 items that I think are very timeless and elegant. Now, I will walk you around my home and show you those items and why I think they are timeless and elegant. So if you are new here and that is something you may be interested in, make sure you stick around. Also, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell twice and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Here on my channel, we talk about all things home decor. I show you how to decorate your home on a budget, very inexpensively, but make your home look way more expensive than it really is, and that you spent a whole lot more money than you really did. So if that's something you may enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stick around. Now, on with the tour. Because I decorate my home in black and white, which I think are 2 very timeless colors. You can never go wrong with black and white, and they are very elegant, in my humble opinion. You will see shades of black and white all around my home, as you see here in this vignette. And black is a bold color, and it can be very stark, but it can also bring a pop of color and contrast to a room. I love using black and white because of the stark contrast between the 2 colors, and it just gives a timeless, elegant look to my home. Another thing that I think is timeless are mirrors. You can never have too many mirrors, and this glam mirror I picked up from Z Gallery. I absolutely love it, and I think it complements the space very, very well. Glass, mirrored glass, or any kind of glass, especially crystal. It just brings a modern, timeless, and elegant touch to your home. And as you can see, I have used glass on my bar cart. You see a frosted glass, a mirrored glass, and the glass of the bar itself is a smoked black glass. I picked this up from Wayfair. No, actually it was Overstock, and I absolutely love it. The next item that I think is timeless are metal candle holders, like this one. I think candle holders are so glam, and you can use them in any room of your home. Crystals. Need I say more? Crystals bring a very glam and sophisticated vibe to your space. Just look how they sparkle. You can never have too much glam or too many crystals in your home. And plants add a pop of color and life into your space and into your home. And I always love using black and white, but you can bring any type of floral into your space to make it look timeless and elegant. So, the 4 things that I think are timeless: black and white, glass of any type, whether it be a vase, wine glasses, anything crystal, mirrors, you must have mirrors, they are timeless, and florals. So I would like to thank Allie from Really Good Living for tagging me in this collaboration. I enjoyed participating, and I will leave a link for Allie's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I will leave a link to the videos of where I picked up a lot of these items in my home. I did a summer shopping haul, budget-friendly shopping haul, quarantine edition. I think you would really enjoy that video. So I will leave that tag down below, and I'll pop up another couple of videos that I think you guys may be interested in. So until next time, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, stylers.